Well, hello traders. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trading for June 7th, 2012. And I feel like I've been in a war this week. It's been a very tough week trading-wise. Uh, had a very, very good day yesterday, of course, with the big up day. Today was very, very difficult. Again, market got pretty choppy. Uh, Ended up taking 11 trades and we went 5-5-1 for only plus 3 points. So really a disappointing trading day for us. I'm going to put the chart up of my daily trade sheet here so you can uh, take a look at all the trades we did take. So I'm going to pause the recording, put that up, and then we'll start recording again. And there's the list of trades. You can see we didn't. I did take a pre-market trade, 5:56 Pacific time. Uh, we got stopped out right to the tick, 12,742, before the market turned up and really ran up to what would have been a very nice profit. So unfortunately, just missed that. And then, as you see here, we didn't take our next trade until 7:46 Pacific time. That is 10:46 on the East Coast, and that was because of the Bernanke testimony before the Senate, the Joint Finance Committee meeting, and actually the market had been up pretty dramatically, and after his statement was read, and then during the testimony, the market just continued to sell off, and again got very, very choppy. So I think that's up there long enough. So you can pause your video and take a look at those. And I'll show you one other thing. Unfortunately, during the testimony period, there were some very good trades that set up. This is actually, I think, this area right here, right before he started to testify, that they release his prepared statement before he actually sits down to testify, and I think this was the start of the downward move. See, price was around 535 to 540. Then they released his statement. It was read. CNBC was reading the statement, and the market started to fall off there. In retrospect, after that statement was being read, which is really usually the big deal, I should have recognized that as an opportunity instead of just continuing to stand aside. But unfortunately, I stood aside, so didn't catch any of that big move down. And here was another opportunity. We had a retracement here, and then another opportunity to get short. 12,509 ran to a low of 12,486, and no long triggers there. But then another short trigger here, a low of 488 entry, and it ran to 475. So a couple of targets there. Then there was a long opportunity here, 497, and you see that was a sharp move up all the way to 520. So just missed a lot of really good trading opportunities. Market was trending during his speech. And let me pull up the, I don't think, I got short at 475. Let me put my other chart up here to at least show you the first winning trade we had. And I believe I took that on the 89 tick chart. Right now I've got the range bar chart up. I'll go over three of the trades here. Here it was. This now I've got my 89 tick entry chart here. That was a trigger, a short at 746, and I took one contract off at 12,468, and that was about the low there. And then it came back and stopped us out at 475 break even on the second contract. And this was the third trade actually of the day. Long here at 754, it was a trigger, and we got long at 12,481. I ended up pulling a trigger after we had sold off there to get out of the trade at break even. And in retrospect there, I should have just let the trade go. And then here was the third, next trade was at 810 here. And that was a short. Ended up actually being a breakout trade. Reason I took it was the trigger. Got short at 12,485. And only had one contract on there. The low of the move there was 467. So with the two contracts there, I would have had two targets, but I only had one contract on. Now that's all the trades I'm going over today individually. You saw the list of actual trades that were included on the video. Also, you can always go to our website, futurestradingcompany.net, and on the trading room page now, you can see a posting each day of the trades we took, the number of contracts, and the result of each trade. So I hope you check that out. For a week free trial in our room, where you can see these triggers firing off in real time, and they are a way to trade successfully. And it's be happy to get you a 1 week free trial into the room. So for futurestradingcompany.net, this is Art Dill, Trading to Win. Have a good night.